Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up an integration to transfer new leads from Facebook to Airtable. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Facebook to other systems. For example, in Airtable you can add new rows and easily work with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Facebook. Now select the action, Get Leads, New. At this stage you need to connect your Facebook account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window we need to specify the username and password for your Facebook personal account. Next we move on to additional settings. Check that all access is enabled. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage you need to select an advertising page from which we will receive new leads. In order to receive leads from all advertising forms at once, leave the option Yes, connect all current and new forms. If you want to receive leads using specific forms, select No, select forms individually and check the required forms. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so just click Continue. Now, you see data for one of your Facebook leads. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. At this point, setting up the Facebook data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Choose the system, Airtable. Now, select the action, Add Row. At this stage you need to connect your Airtable account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Airtable personal account. At this stage, we provide ApiX-Drive access to work with your Airtable databases. To do this, click Add a Base. I recommend providing access to all databases at once in order to be able to work with them in the future. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select the base in which new rows will be created. Also select the table. Now you see Airtable fields for creating new rows. You can assign variables from Facebook to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be transferred to Airtable as new rows for each new lead from Facebook. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Airtable. After successful sending, go to Airtable and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. At this point, setting up Airtable as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.